Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar, live to you from Washington, D.C., baby. My last night here, I can't wait to go back to my crypt and get some homework done. Traders, looking at a couple of markets, noticed that the markets looked a little fuzzy, looked at my calendar, realized we have a one-day FOMC or Fed meeting tomorrow. A one-day Fed meeting. Usually our Fed meetings are 2 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, they make an announcement Wednesday afternoon at 2:15. On this occasion, for March 16th, 2010, there's a one-day Fed meeting. And here's my thoughts, traders. Doesn't look like the Fed is going to touch interest rates. However, it does look like the Fed is going to have a pretty powerful statement, which will probably lead towards interest rates being hiked in the near future, intermediate term. But I think their statement will be strongly worded towards traders, watch out there, because at some point we're going to start to ratchet up rates. That's what I'm expecting to see. So we don't really trade the markets on a Fed day. If it were a two-day meeting, we would trade Tuesday and back off on Wednesday. The meeting is Tuesday, so we can't really trade. I will say this, traders, if you're looking at the June Emini S&P, it looks like it has resistance at 1149.5 to 1151. If it stops cold there, it'll probably drop down to the 1141 area where there's support. Then there's more support at 1134.5 and eventually support at 1131.5. We can't trade on Fed days, so we're not going to do anything with those parameters, but we are certainly going to watch those parameters. Again, somewhere up in the 1149, 1150 area looks to me like it's going to run into resistance and back off a little, waiting for the Fed to make its announcement. That's what I see on the charts. If you do trade, and we don't trade Fed days, but if you choose to trade on a Fed day, keep those parameters in mind, okay, traders? Hey, listen, I'll be out of here tomorrow morning. I'll be on a flight, so I won't be flash updating you until I get back into my seat in the afternoon on Wednesday, on Tuesday in the afternoon. So, Omniacs, be careful out there. If you choose to trade, please put your stops in. Please put them in first. And be really careful, all right? After we get the Fed out of our hair, we'll have Wednesday forward. We'll see if we can find some good technical setups and see if we can get into this thing a little bit. Okay, traders, be careful out there. Do your homework. Try not to trade on a Fed day. If you do, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss.